In the heart of Millennium City, where architectural ambitions meet Zimbabwean heritage, the under-construction ED block stands as a beacon of progressive urban living. Sanapena mashoko amudanyo kwachinzi our ED block nears completion. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna unamu mudanyo kwa mchinzi. Handover of individual apartments is expected early next year. Named in honor of His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa, this distinguished six-story residential masterpiece was groundbroken in November 2023, marking a significant chapter in Harare's evolving skyline. It became the first six-story residential building in the northern suburbs, with indications that the next block will have 10 floors. Situated within a life, work, shop and play estate that houses the prestigious Radisson serviced hotel apartments, also under construction, and the soon-to-be-built Mall of Zimbabwe. The building is not just a residential place, it is a symbol of Zimbabwe's commitment to modernity, sustainability, and cultural reverence. From its foundation, the vision for ED Block was clear: to create a landmark that integrates contemporary design with ecological responsibility while embracing Zimbabwe's architectural heritage. As awards for architectural excellence and urban innovation are considered, ED Block emerges as a rightful contender, setting an unparalleled precedent for the next generation of Zimbabwe living. It is not merely a building, it is a statement of leadership, a beacon of progress, and a testament to Harare's bright future. Ndomasvika ari kuda panguva ino achitsanangura pamusoro aiwa pe-these blocks ari kuvakiwa aiwa nemutungamiri wenyika ari kuonekwa kunzi they are almost in completion. Zvinoonekwa kunzi kutanga kwegore rinouya aiwa this 6-story building ichange yava kushanda. Pena comment section medu dzivafunguro emo tikudii pamusoro pechirwere. Pena comment section medu subscribe or like, turn the bell icon.